Sometimes there can be confusion around the differences between coaching versus mentoring, and people often don't have a clear understanding about what the parameters are for either of those roles. I'm Emil Kresl. I'm the Director of Learning and Development here at the University of Texas at Austin. In this 3-minute video, I'm going to try and help clear it up. A coach is a professionally trained guide who helps clients develop their own solutions and opportunities for personal, professional, career, and leadership development. A coach is helpful for people who are already on a successful trajectory in their career and are seeking professional guidance to help get them to the next level and address specific issues. Many coaches will not work with clients at the request of a manager who is seeking help for a direct report who has performance issues or needs corrective action. In a coaching relationship, the client does the vast majority of the talking, with the coach mostly asking open-ended questions. It is through these questions that coaches help clients develop solutions on their own. A coach does not necessarily need to have in-depth experience in their client's field. In fact, in some cases, it can be advantageous for a coach to not have deep knowledge in a client's field, as it is easier for the coach to ensure that they do not steer the client, intentionally or not, toward a decision that the coach thinks is the right decision, rather than helping the client decide what's best for themselves. It is important to note that a coaching relationship is confidential. A coach may ask permission from a client to speak with their colleagues or supervisor to get a deeper understanding of how the client is perceived or how they work with other people. But a coach should never share information about the coaching relationship. A coaching relationship is typically transactional, meaning a fee and contract are the norm. A mentorship is not a coaching relationship. A mentor can help people at any point in their career, whether they are thriving or struggling. A mentor usually works in the field that their protege or mentee currently works in or would like to work in the future. A traditional mentor relationship is one in which the mentor has been in the field significantly longer than the protege and is 2 or 3 rungs up on the organizational hierarchy. However, there are now many different types of mentorships that account for people who are looking for guidance on a wide variety of topics. For that reason, mentors can be younger than their protege or lower on the org chart. Proteges may even have several mentors for different types of feedback they are seeking. Both the mentor and protege will ask questions in this relationship, but the protege should be prepared to mostly listen. It is in the mentor's experience and the expertise of that person that is most valuable. Unlike coaching, mentorships are typically not transactional, but it is still important for both the mentor and protege to have clear parameters and objectives for their interactions. Mentors may sometimes act as sponsors for mentees, meaning they could promote their clients to other leaders and decision makers for career opportunities, but sponsorship should really be considered a separate role altogether. Another role that should not be confused with coaching or mentoring is therapist. While some coaches or mentors may have a background in therapy, that is not their role as a coach or mentor. People who are struggling to manage stress, grief, trauma, substance abuse, anxiety, or depression should seek help from a licensed therapist. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Emil Kresl at the University of Texas at Austin.